All right, so I picked up this OBD2 scanner for like 50 bucks on Amazon. I've been wanting one for a while. I like this one because I can test the battery and stuff. I know it's not high tech, but you know, it's still nice for checking codes. So I got this lovely 2018 Ford Edge with a 2.0 EcoBoost that cracked the block and had to get a new motor and now well, engine, and now they have a new engine in it. I'm getting a code and it's missing really bad, and I'm pretty sure it's the knock sensors, but we'll find out. Down here, all right, this is the first time I have ever used this. Oops. Push the wrong button there. Oh, there we go. I want to read codes. Knock sensor. I knew it. Okay, so don't know how you erase this yet. Oh, right there. Look at that. Erase codes. Done. No codes. Car's still saying that there's a code. Let's fire it up. Look at that. Engine code gone. What else can we do with this fancy little gadget here? Battery. Oh, look at that. You can see if it's charging. Because of course this car don't have, you know, just gonna have a idiot light or warning light, I guess if you call it nowadays. But you know it's not charging. Right there, it's charging. Give her some gas. Goes up. Okay, boom, that's working. Yeah, I don't want to do that yet because I know it's a new battery, so it should be good. So I'm gonna have to mess with this some more. I got to do some testing on the Dodge because I think the O2 sensor is bad on that one too. So all these little things we can do here. Oxygen sensor. Yeah, so we'll get into this more a little bit later. Be using this on channel quite a bit, I guess. So you can check this out on Amazon. This was actually the one I wanted to do, was the live PCM data here. This shows me the fuel system, the map sensor, inches of vacuum. We're at 13 right now. This is turbocharged, so shows the RPM, spark advance. Shows our runtime, everything. So first time I really messed with one of these, so don't know what to expect or what I'm looking for, but you know, it's gonna help me quite a bit for just doing little stuff. So All right, well, thanks for checking out this short little video. I got some more stuff coming. Make sure you're checking out the giveaway we got coming. Thanks for watching.